Hi guys and welcome back. For today's video, I want to do a beautiful spring look. I've been getting a lot of inspiration on Instagram because like I said over the past couple of videos, I'm kind of in a rut and just during this time it's kind of hard to be as inspired as we were. I'm kind of speaking for a lot of creators, I think, at this point, but I guess I should only speak for myself. But it's hard to be inspired and excited about makeup at this moment. So I'm gathering and screenshotting a lot of pictures that I'm seeing that's just giving me some inspiration just to be motivated to sit down and film during this time. And the inspo I'm going off of today is by Rose and Ben. If you have not ever seen her post, her makeup videos on Instagram, she's bomb and she loves to use jewels in her makeup looks. I do too. I don't use them enough. But today is the first day of spring. So I want to do a very spring type of look, and I'm going to base this look off of one of her pictures from her Instagram. So yeah, let's get started. If you want to see what happens, then keep on watching. I don't know if I want to put my face in this. Of course I'm going to put my face in this video, but put my base makeup because I've been so routine and kind of want to use the same products that I've been using. So I think I'm just going to fast forward through all this. You guys already know what I'm going to use if you watched my last video. So I will list everything down below, but just going to speed through this and then let's get on to the eyes. Alright, now that my face is drying, I do want to mention the only product differences I changed. I used the Jaclyn Cosmetics loose highlighter in extra, whereas in my last video I used the Flash palette. And then with my Morphe 9B blush palette, I dipped more into this, whereas my last video I dipped into that one. So I kind of mixed these two blushes because I wanted it to be more pinkish. I might add more blush after the eyes are done because I want more of a pinky spring cheek, which in my head looks good. Now, can I do it and it look good on me? I don't know, because I might just end up looking like a clown. Who knows? I think I'm going to jump into the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collaboration palette. I used this once or twice, I can't remember, but I'm sure you guys have seen this beautiful palette on the internet, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. I'm going to start off, let's see here. I think I'm going to start off by dipping into Positivity, which is one of my favorite shades in this palette. And we all need a little positivity at this moment. So I'm going to start off, let's go ahead and get this crease out of here. I'm going to take some of that shade and just start sweeping it right into my crease using a tapping motion. And then once I get a majority of that product laid down, I will start doing swiping motions. This is the eye look I'm using as my inspiration. I have no idea what palette or anything that she used, but I think it's beautiful and very spring. I'm going to go ahead and dip into No Joke, which is the yellow shade in this palette. And I'm going to just take this on the outer perimeter of this pinkish shade really lightly. I want you to be able to see the yellow just a little bit, but I'm mainly using it just to blend in with this pink, kind of giving it a strawberry lemonade moment. Yeah, I like that. See, you can barely see it. It's there. You know there's yellow there, but it's just blended so well, you know. That's what I want. That's what I'm going for. I'm using the slightest pressure here. I'm holding my brush all the way down at the end so that I have full control and it's not placing so much product on it. That way it blends easier and better and it just looks effortless. How here he is again.
Oh, quarantine days.
It's so stupid. Why don't you get in here?
It's my lunch break.
Oh. So I'm stuck with you for an hour? This face is going to film with me tonight. He's going to film and we're going to film a challenge.
What challenge?
We're going to film a challenge.
Which challenge?
I think the whisper challenge. Even though we're not whispering, I don't understand that. We'll figure it out. I don't know.
Alright.
We'll figure it out. He has clothes on today, guys. They didn't see that.
You hungry?
Nope. Not yet. I ate 4 waffles and Ensure and a piece of sausage for...
Jeez.
Trying to get all fat and sassy. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a Moment, which is this shade right here. I can't remember if this shade is pigmented. Oh, yeah, it looks pigmented, I think. I feel like it goes on your finger really pigmented. I don't know, I can't remember. And I'm going to put it in the inner part of my eye right here. I'm going to mix a little bit of Therapy Sesh, which was the purple right next to it in. Yeah, there we go. So I just kind of did a little mixed concoction there. I'm just kind of placing it right here. I'm going to go ahead and take the same brush from this that I used in the beginning and dip back into Positivity. I really feel like that shade got just completely lost. And I do not want to lose that shade. Sometimes I feel like I can blend and blend and blend, which is a good thing, but then sometimes I lose that pigment because I've overblended, which is really weird to say because I don't feel like you can necessarily overblend some, but then again, I feel like you can overblend. And then I'm going to go back in and start blending that yellow back in. And I'll show you just because I feel like I didn't show you. So I was just dipping a couple dips, like boom, 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 boom. That's all I was doing for that purple because Therapy Sesh is definitely much more pigmented than a Moment. And again, like I've said before about this palette, some of them just need to be applied differently, which is fine. I just haven't went back and watched that video, and even watching that video, I don't even think I watched the whole damn thing. I was just like, oh, okay, got it. I want it. I bought it. So that was that. But if you feel like the shades aren't doing it for you, that's probably why, and you might need to... I took that too high. I gotta do the same thing on this side then, don't we? I think I want to take some... I don't know. My Man. I think I'm going to take some My Man, some orange. And put that on the outer corner of my eye. As you can see, I'm using all my real estate on my eye. This, to me, is real estate, okay? Use it. If you got it, use it. Why waste that space? Bring it out. Bust it out. Give the whole eye some love. Let's get dramatic. You know? We ain't got no places to go. Let's get a little Cray cray. I look back on some of my looks from the early days of YouTube and I'm like, wow, I thought that looked good. Hopefully in the next 3 years I don't look back at this and go, wow, I thought that looked good. Oh well, I guess what's important is you're having fun. You're having fun with makeup. To me, that's all that's important. All right, for my lower lash line, I'm going to dip into Tipsy Girl, which is this beautiful, beautiful hot pink, and just smoke out my lower lash line with that shade. I'm going to take my brush that I use for the shade Positivity. I haven't put any additional product on it. I'm just blending it more so toward the bottom of where I just put Tipsy Girl, just so it's blended a little more. I'm going to take some of I'm In It and put it right here. I'm actually going to take my Jaclyn Cosmetics extra highlighter and put that right there. Oh yeah. Boom. And then I'm going to take some of it and put it on my inner corners. Now for the fun part, which is the little diamonds. I think I actually am going to use this size. So when I used these last time, I used them in a Valentine's Day tutorial. These are really nail art jewels from Amazon. If I can find them, I'll link them down below. But this side is more colorful jewels, whereas this side is more of that diamond type of jewel. I actually have it on my ring finger right now. Those are the jewels I always use for my nails because I do press on nails because I don't go to the nail salon. I didn't go to the nail salon before all this happened because I'm a germaphobe. I do my own nails. So these are supposed to be nail jewels, but of course you can use them for whatever you want, right? So it has 6 different sizes. These are teeny, teeny, teeny tiny. If I can hold it out, hopefully you can maybe see. But you can tell the different sides, and then it goes from really small to pretty large. The jewels I have right here are these, the size, I believe, one of these 2 sizes. I'm going to use the more colorful side since this is a colorful look. And it comes, when you buy this, it comes with a little wax type pin here. This side has the wax side to pick up the jewels, and then this side is the side where once you place it, you can kind of move it around with this side. What I like to do is take my House of Lashes glue. It's just the preferred glue that I like. Of course, you can use any glue you want. And I'm just going to kind of place these wherever I feel fit. I think I'm going to use this size. So smallest over, I'm going to use the 3rd size. Again, this is the size I have on my nail. So I'm going to do 1 size smaller. Chicken? Chicken? Pork?
Chicken and pork.
Nice.
Might be hot.
Good. All right, those are the jewels. I am loving it. Rose and Ben is a genius. So I think what I want to do is go ahead, go off camera, do my brows, do my lashes, and then come back and finish this look. I'm going back and forth between these 2 NYX products. Ooh, this would go really well with it. So I'm going to start off with the NYX Liquid Suede cream lipstick. That's what it is, in Tea and Cookies. I like that, but I do want a pop of this NYX Intense Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Funnel Delight. If you hear my dog, it's because Chris is playing with my dog. See, this goes much better with it. Alright guys, so here is the final look. I'm looking in my little viewfinder on my camera, and I'm looking quite colorful. Almost too much color. Is this too much color? It's just my hair, because my hair is just so bright right now because I had just recently got it done. And yeah, we're looking bright. This look to me definitely screams spring, like a glamorous mermaid spring goddess. Okay, I need to stop. Clearly I'm feeling this look. Definitely one of my favorites. I'm so glad that I found that picture from Rose and Ben, and it inspired me to film today because, again, I just was like, you know, I don't know, just such a weird vibe with everything going on, you know? So seeing that picture helped me to really just be inspired and want to film, get up off my couch from eating constantly, and motivated to film. I saw all of your ideas in my last video in the comments, and I really appreciate it. I am going to film some challenge videos just to break a lot of this up and again make me want to film. So I think doing something different and doing challenges and having something different to edit, I think it'll be fun and give me more drive to want to film. So be looking out for those types of videos here soon. And I think that is it. So if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.